52 Traders, Episode 8.
There's one thing to remember, and that is the only indicator that they should look, the only non-lagging indicator is price, and price action is all they need to focus on.
Over the next year, your host Cam Hawkins gets inside the minds of 52 of the world's best traders to find out if he has what it takes to become one of them. Join Cam every week on the 52 Traders podcast or at 52traders.com to learn how to trade like the pros. This podcast is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not investment, trading, or financial advice of any kind. Trading is very risky and could lose you all of your capital. Any comments about historical performance are not an indication of future results.
Before we kick things off, remember to visit 52traders.com for the show notes and to pick up a bunch of free trading tools and systems. Simply jump on the site and add your email. What's up, traders? Welcome to another weekly installment of 52 Traders. And today we're lucky enough to have Anka Metcalf on the show. Now, Anka hails from Detroit, Michigan and has been trading US equities, Forex and futures since 2004. Anka has over 10 years of investment banking experience and is now the founder and CEO of TradeOutLoud.com, which is a private boutique equity, Forex and futures trading education service. She also runs a managed accounts program for a group of high net worth clients and a swing and position trade alert service for stocks and EFTs. In 2014, 78% of her trades were profitable, returning 38% on her total portfolio. Welcome, Anka, and thanks for joining me here on 52 Traders today.
Hey Cam, so thank you for having me here today.
Okay, so Anka, I've mentioned some of your highlights already, and I know that's only a small part of your story. So what I want to hear now is a bit more about you personally. So what do you do outside of trading? And I want you to tell the listeners what you're trading and how you're trading it and the kind of results that you see.
And first of all, trading is also one of my passions, and it's also one of my hobby because wherever I travel, trading seems to follow me. And now with these devices, with smartphones, with all these iPads and whatever, you get to travel, and it's a lifestyle. So right now, trading is kind of my lifestyle, and like I said, I travel with it along the way. But besides that, I really enjoy the beach. So I'm kind of like that beach person, and I'm really that kind of person that loves, fresh air, loves to go hiking, love movies, traveling, of course. So all those kinds of things. And who doesn't like that, I know I've shared a little bit about my background with you, and I've been a professional independent trader for about 11 years now. And before that, so before becoming a professional trader, I do have investment banking experience. So I have over a decade of investment banking experience prior to becoming an independent trader. I'm also certified from numerous financial institutions in Europe and US because I'm from Europe. I do run a managed accounts program for a group of high net worth clients. So I do run a hedge fund, and also I run a very successful signal service for equities. And basically what I'm doing in the service, I'm kind of like carbon copying whatever I'm doing in my within my fund. I do trade equities. I've started trading, actually, when I first started trading, I started with equities, and then I diversified into futures and Forex, and now I trade all three. I have to admit, I do have an emphasis on equities more than anything else, but I do love to trade as well when the opportunity is there, currencies and of course futures. And when I'm talking about futures, I'm trading future indices. So I try to kind of like narrow my focus into trading. So trading US stocks when I'm referring to equities. I like to as a style of trader. I'm trying to retire from day trading. Although when I first started trading, I started with day trading, but as a professional trader, and now I'm easing off day trading and focusing more on swing trading because it gives me more liberty and more freedom, to do whatever I like for the rest of the day. So right now, my focus in the market is not as of course, my interest is high, but right now I'm trading less than I am trading before, than when I started trading in day trading, and with even better results than day trading.
Okay, and what sort of results do you see? Is it over the course of maybe a year? What are you aiming for? Okay, so that was the first part of the show. Now, to hear the full episode, the best bits, join the family at 52traders.com. They usually go for about 45 minutes to an hour long, and trust me, these shows are great. They give us so much insight. Now, if you want to get there quickly, all you need to do is jump into the show description on your phone, and there's a link taking you directly to 52traders.com, where you can join the family over there and listen to the full episode. Now, in the rest of the show, I cover off what my traders do differently from the rest of us. So what is it that they're doing that we're not doing? What their typical trading day looks like, what they would do if they had a day job now and wanted to trade for a living, their preferred trading strategy, so actually how does it work? What we should be educating ourselves on when we're looking at a price chart, so what indicators we should use, what price levels, what chart patterns, all those sorts of things. Also, we touch on fundamentals as well, so how do we use news to our advantage? Trading psychology, tips, tricks, techniques, we go through those. Exiting trades, managing trades that you've got running. So we talk about their strategies. They give you strategies for exiting and managing trades. Books to read, websites to visit, all the best ones. Something that you should try and master over the next month. The broker and platform they use. And finally, last but not least, they give us a full trading strategy. So something you guys can try out at home on your PC this week in the markets if you wish. Now, to get the full episode, you need to jump onto 52traders.com, join the family. As I said, it usually goes on for 45 minutes to an hour, and there's a link in the show description, so if you're on your phone, just jump on there, tap the link, and it'll take you straight to 52traders.com. Now, if you're thinking about learning to automate any of your trading, hiring a developer, learning to code, that sort of thing, then before you do that, jump onto my other website, automatemytrading.com. So if you're interested in automating some or all of your trading, then jump onto automatemytrading.com and you'll see me over there. For now, to hear the rest of this episode, all you need to do is click on the link in the show description or go to 52traders.com. See you there.